Have you ever felt that frustrating wall when you try to think in English, even after learning countless words and grammar rules? You can read it, you can write it, you can understand others when they speak. But when it comes to forming your own thoughts in English, suddenly it feels impossible. Here's the truth. That wall exists because your brain hasn't truly learned to think in English. Most learners focus on reading, writing, listening, and speaking, but their minds are still translating from their native language. Fluency doesn't come from memorizing words. True fluency comes from English fluency training, training your brain to think in English naturally. That's how you speak English fluently and confidently. It starts with something simple. Your inner voice. The one inside your head that talks to you every day. That voice can be trained. Right now. Wake up in the morning. Instead of thinking in your native language, say it in English. I need to brush my teeth. Walking to work or school. Describe what you see. The sun is bright today. That car is moving fast. This is English speaking practice in action. At first, it will feel slow, awkward, forced. That's normal. Your brain is rewiring itself. Step by step, English thoughts become automatic. Soon, you'll speak English confidently without translating. Your brain is a sponge. The more English you hear, the easier it becomes to think in English naturally. Don't limit yourself to textbooks or short lessons. Make English part of your daily life. Watch English shows. Listen to English podcasts. Even if you don't understand everything at first, your ears are learning rhythm, tone, and flow. This is listening and speaking English practice, and it's incredibly powerful. Thinking in English isn't just words, it's a mindset. English favors short, direct sentences. Long, complex translations from your native language, they slow you down. Start simple. Think like you text a friend. I'm so tired. Today was long, short, clear, fast. That's how natural English thinking works. And here's the most important part. Stop fearing mistakes. Your thoughts are private. No one hears them. This is your safe space. Perfection doesn't matter. Movement matters. The more you let your brain practice freely, the faster your English speaking transformation happens. Grammar and vocabulary will follow naturally. Take it further. Speak to yourself. Alone. In the kitchen. I'm chopping the vegetables, adding salt. The food smells good. Walking outside. I see children playing. The weather is cold today. Simple sentences. Small. Powerful. They connect your daily life with English learning for beginners and advanced learners alike. Visualization accelerates learning. Don't translate. Connect English words directly to images. Apple? Picture a shiny red apple. Happiness? Imagine a big, genuine smile. Your brain links meaning directly to English. No translation needed. This boosts English pronunciation practice and trains your brain to speak English naturally. Immersion is key. Surround yourself with English. Change your phone to English. Write your shopping list in English. Send yourself notes in English. At first, it may feel strange, but that pushes your brain to adapt and internalize English naturally. This is essential English shadowing practice. Consistency is everything. Thinking in English doesn't happen overnight. It's a skill. Skills grow with daily practice, repetition, and immersion. And the reward? Everything changes. You improve English speaking skills. You speak faster. Understand more. Feel confident. No more constant mental translation. English becomes part of your mind, a tool, a way of life. Imagine this. English flows through your thoughts effortlessly. Speaking, listening, reading, writing. They feel natural. You stop hesitating. You stop translating. You live inside the language. That's the power of training your mouth to speak English. So next time you catch yourself translating in your head, pause. Form the thought in English directly. Start small. Be patient. Practice daily. Speak, think, visualize. Learn how to improve your English speaking skills. Discover how to speak English fluently and confidently. Connect, practice, and immerse. One day, you'll realize it. Your thoughts flow in English naturally. Freedom hits you. Fluency hits you. Life in English isn't just easier. It feels effortless. This is how you take control of your English. Step by step. Thought by thought. Moment by moment. Train your mind. Train your habits. Master your inner voice. Watch your English speaking skills soar. If this helped you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your friends and family. And if you want more powerful strategies, tips, and techniques, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Start English speaking practice today and transform your fluency forever.